Hello, welcome to this video where you are needed to evaluate bracket 9 over 4 bracket power 9 over 4. We begin by writing 9 in terms of 3 and the 4 in terms of 2. 9 is the same as 3 squared and the 4 is the same as 2 squared. After writing 9 as 3 squared and the 4 as 2 squared, we can use this power of indices to rewrite what is in the bracket. So in case you have a bracket a squared over b squared bracket, the square can be taken outside the bracket. So we are going to rewrite this part here as this. So our expression, it simplifies as this part here. The index can be simplified, so we have 2 multiplied by 9 over 4. We can divide the form by 2 so that we'll be left with 9 over 2. Doing that, we obtain. So our question here, which is bracket 9 over 4 bracket power 9 over 4, simplifies to here bracket 3 over 2 close the bracket 9 over 2. Now the index, we can simplify the index as follows. So our index, which is 9 over 2, 9 can be written as 8 plus 1, everything over 2. We can separate the numerator by dividing with the fraction. So we will have 8 over 2 plus half. 8 divided by 2 is 4 plus half. So in this part here, instead of 9 over 2, we shall write 4 plus half. So we do that to obtain. So after the above simplification, bracket power 9 over 4 can be written as bracket 3 over 2 bracket power 4 plus half. Note that 4 plus half is the same as 9 over 2. We shall make this power of indices. If you have bracket a over b power n plus m, we can separate the index by multiplying bracket a over b power n multiplied by bracket a over b power m. So in our case here, our n is 4 and our m is half. Our a is 3 and our b is 2. So we are going to use the right hand side to transform our right hand side on this equation up here. So after applying this identity here, we shall have bracket 3 over 2 bracket power 4 dot here means times bracket 3 over 2 power half. We are going to make use of this. If you have bracket a over b power n, the index means every part inside the bracket power the index n. In our case, the first case, our n is 4 and the second part, our n is half. So making use of this law of indices above here in this part and the second part, we shall have. So after the application of that indices, this is what we have. 3 power 4 is 81. 2 power 4 is 16. And then power half is the same as square root. So instead of 3 power half, we can write it as square root of 3. And instead of 2 power half, we can write as square root of 2. At this point, we can rationalize the denominator by multiplying both the numerator and the denominator with the square root of 2. So root 3 times root 2 is root 6. And the root 2 times root 2 is root 4. So root 4 is 2, and then the numerator remains as it is. So from here we have root 2 times root 2 is root 4, root 3 times root 2 is root 6, root 4 is the same as 2. 16 times 2 is 32. 81 times root 6 will remain as it is. So our equation which you are given you was bracket 9/4 bracket power 9/4, and the result answer is 81 root 6 times root 6 divided by 32. Thanks so much for watching this video. Remember, you can subscribe to this channel. You can also comment and also share so that other learners can get the knowledge which you have acquired. Thanks so much for taking your time to learn with me on how you can simplify this simple index question. For more such learning, check in my channel. Also on the alternative method of working this equation, I have done it in another video which I will provide the link below. Bye bye for now. See you in the next video as we keep on learning.